Welcome to day 9 of our 12 days of fitness. Today, the focus is on balance. We're going to do a few static and dynamic balance exercises to help you get ready for the fun things you might have planned this holiday season. The first one is I'm going to stand with a narrow base of support. Now, if this is really easy for you, you can go ahead and stand with your arms crossed. I'm standing near a chair and with the counter, so just in case I lose my balance, I have some place to hold on. So if you can stand with your feet close together for a minute or more, it's time to move on to something a little bit more challenging. And I'm going to go with a tandem stance with my left foot in front of the right. If you're doing these at home, you'll want to work both sides, but for today, I'm just going to do one side at a time to show you these. So I'm going to go ahead and cross my arms, and if you can do this for 30 seconds, it's time to move on to something a little more challenging. So what you can do is lift up both of your arms at the same time. If you need to, you can add a little bit of weight, and that'll make the challenge even harder. The next challenge, I'm going to be looking to the left and to the right. I'm going to keep the turns to about 45 degrees. And this is just going to throw me off balance a little bit, but I can still do it with my arms crossed. And you can see it's challenging me because my feet are wiggling pretty good. But that's okay. I've got the chair nearby just in case I need it. So how did you do on these balance exercises? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day 10.